Hey everyone, Foxton TCG here, back with another random Raptor rips. Today we're going to be doing Crown Zenith. Let's get started. Ooh, that is such a cool card. I've been wanting to pull this so bad. It's one of my favorite arts from this set. Ooh, man, look at that. A Mew, and a Ditto. That's awesome. Wow. Some great pulls out of these two packs on this random Raptor rip. Appreciate you guys watching. Like and follow and subscribe for more content like this. As always, stay sharp, keep collecting, and we'll see you in the den. Take care.